doing a Barely Alive style growl in Serum only. So let's get started. I'm going to be using saw waves for this, basic shapes here. So let's get started with this growl. We can even just use like one. Something I really like to do just to like give it a more crunchy, more like piercing, high-pitched sound is just like turn this hyperdimension with the LFO going from max to low and having like a lot of mix in the dimension and like super tiny size. Just add an OTT to this and it gives it a really punchy, piercing sound. If I put here the spectrum analyzer, enable the sub bass for this. Add a bit of distortion to this just to crunch up the sound. Teeny bit of reverb just to give it a more metallic sound. And just add the EQs like this, just to get a more vowelish sound, vowelish tone. You can also add a bit of noise to this, just to give it more. Add a phaser as well. You can add like a phaser, just like. And you can also like play with the unison here like this, just having it like 7. Just to do like some cool weird effects. And if you were to post-process this is what it would sound post-processed. I have a patcher preset here. You can get it in my server. It's made by Cookie Monster, really awesome guy. I really love this patcher preset. It gives it a really nice tone to this. So if I just give me a second here to like enable this, you can see it's a very complex patcher sound. If I just go here and disable the bandpass, have here phaser, have this around here. If the piercing, you guys can see like this annoying 11K frequency is too high, you can just like just turn down the mix, something like around here. Or you can put like the hyperdimension before the bandpass. I really liked having it around here, just give it a more squelchy sound. You just like turn this around here. And that's it. This is a really simple tutorial how to make a bass. I added the post-processing, but I showed you guys how it's done without post-processing. This Patcher preset is free to download if you ask Cookie Monster. I am not the owner of the Patcher preset. You can join my Discord server to get the Patcher preset. The owner of the Patcher preset is called Cookie Monster. He's a really nice guy. You can talk with him in Discord. I really encourage you guys to join. I'm also gonna promote my Spotify. I have a new album I released, so if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description, as well as with my sample pack and many other awesome things. Anyway guys, hope you found this tutorial really interesting, and yeah, this was SoundKiller. Till next time.